Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gagana V from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to explain about generation in the computer with different types of processor. And I'm also explaining the changes in the processor architecture with respect to operation, processor operating speed, and bits of operation. We'll check through about all these topics in this presentation. Now, heading over to the introduction of the topic, first we need to understand what exactly is a processor to learn in depth about it. A processor is a logical circuitry that responds to the processor, the basic instruction that drive a computer. The CPU is seen as the main and most crucial integrated circuit chips in a computer, as it is responsible for interpreting most computer commands. CPUs will perform most basic arithmetic, logical, and input-output operation, as well as allocates commands for other chips and components running in a computer. So now we have got a brief idea about what is processor. Heading over. Now we'll see the different types of processors. Okay, so before we see the different types of processor, we have just taken six main or the six most commonly used processor. There are a vast variety of processor, but I have just picked up few of the processor to explain you guys in depth. So in those processor, first is the microprocessor, second is microcontroller, third is embedded processor, fourth is digital signal processor, fifth is media processor, sixth is application specific system processors. Now, heading over to what is microprocessor. The general purpose processor are represented by microprocessor. In embedded system, there are different varieties of microprocessor available in the market from different company. As we know that the market is huge and there are different varieties of microprocessor, but that's not our concern. Our main concern is the microprocessor is also general purpose processor that consists of what does it contain? Anything in an electronic gadget, there must be some content. Some of the contents are control unit, ALU, a bunch of registers also called scratch pad registers, control registers, and status registers. They may be on chip memory and some interfaces for communicating with external world like interrupt lines, other lines of memory and ports for communicating with the external world. The ports often called the programmable port. That means we can program these ports either to be acting as an input or an output. The general purpose processor as shown in below table. Now, the microcontroller is basically a computer that comes in various packages and size. The reading input and responding to the output is basic function of microcontroller. The general is known as general purpose input output. Some of the microcontrollers are microchip, Agatma 328AU, microchip PC16787, AYP, microchip CPC167150319, microchip PC167 microchip P1 C1 8F65K22IP. Now coming over to embedded processor. An embedded processor is one type of processor which is designed to control mechanical, functional, and electrical function. It consists of several blocks that are a processor, timer, and interrupt controller, program memory, and memory, data memory, power supply, reset and clock oscillatory circuit, system application specific circuit, ports, and interfacing circuit. Now coming to the digital signal processor. The digital signal processor is one of the type of processor used for measuring, filtering, or compressing digital or analog signal. The signal processing means analysis and manipulation of signal. The processor can be done by computer or application specific integrated circuit, fields, programmable gate array, or digital signal processor to obtain the clear signal. The DSP processor are used in oscilloscope, barcode scanner, mobile phones, printers, etc. These processors are fast and used for real-time application. The typical DSP system is shown in below figure. There's no figure. Sorry, brief. And now we are heading to this one's done. Application specific system processor. The application specific system processor is a semiconductor integrated circuit product used to implement to a specific function. The performance characteristics and die of the application specific system processor is same as ASIC. The ASSPs are used in various type of industries perform video encoding or decoding and audio encoding or decoding in place of embedded software. The application specific system processor is used to run the application and provides the solution faster. Thank you. Please do like and share and subscribe because your likes and shares and your views determine my marks. Thank you.